Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Early Brainy. Today we learn the hard G and soft G rule. The letter G has two sounds. The hard G sounds as G as in goat, gate. The soft G sounds as J as in giraffe, gym, gem. But how to identify a hard G and a soft G? We have a rule for it. When G meets I, E and Y, it sounds as soft G, J. When G meets any other letter, it sounds as hard G, G. Soft G words: gym, gym, genius, genius. Gem, gem, germ, germ. Giant, giant. Giraffe, giraffe. Engine, engine. Cage, cage. Angel, angel. Orange, orange. Danger, danger. Bridge, bridge. Page, page. Ginger, ginger. Magic, magic. Edge, edge. Hard G words: gum, gum. Glue, glue. Goat, goat. Gap, gap. Frog, frog. Garden, garden. Gold, gold. Dragon, dragon. Glass, glass. Goose, goose. Gate, gate. Ghost, ghost, green, green, globe, globe, exceptions, girl, tiger, give, get, gift, gear, gelding. These words are followed by I and E, but they sound as G. Let's look and read the sentences. I work out in a gym. I work out in a gym. Give me a glass of orange juice. Give me a glass of orange juice. The giraffe is eating the green leaves. The giraffe is eating the green leaves. It's very dangerous to cross the bridge now. It's very dangerous to cross the bridge now. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.